I think it started over. Oh well.
This is about 42 inches.
Right.
42 inches.
That's a 42-inch door.
42 inches
There's
away.
This guy with his target on his back.
So
You'll have to edit all this. There's 42 inches away. Kind of twist to your right just a little bit. Alright, good.
I felt it. I felt it. I feel it off.
It's not sticking.
They're not sticking? Get
Go
closer.
Halfway.
Where are you at right now? So you want to go from right here?
Yeah, we're running out of fucking hose. So you might have to back up.
Okay.
Leave this here.
Alright, so this is about a 40-inch door.
You just keep backing up.
I'm going to back up about
spot.
10 inches. So that means right here. 10 inches.
I'll make sure we're good and level. Here we go. Try and get to 20. I don't think we got anything.
Nothing? I can feel it. It hurts. It don't feel good.
No, it's not stuck. I can see the marks of the paper, but it's not sticking.
Backing it up. So we're about 40 inches away. Or
not anymore.
We're about 30 inches away. We're going to make it 20 inches away. So at the end of this door,
still the compressor's full.
Compressor's full.
We're going for the 20 target.
It's a good target. Oh.
That bounced.
Oh! Ow! Ouch!
Trying different angles. It's
yeah,
not
they
sticking.
They hurt. They hurt.
Oh, that one's stuck.
Ow!
I got a 10 mark.
Alright, so that's 20 inches away.
Yeah, we got a 10 mark.
One more.
One more? Alright, we'll go for the 20 again. Nope.
Alright.
We'll leave that one in there.
So here's 20. Now right here. This is 10 inches away.
That's 10 inches away. I should be able to hit the 20 mark right there.
Get a bullseye.
Yeah, that's a bullseye right there.
Fuck that, I can feel that.
You want more?
Yeah, man.
That one bounced. That one's stuck. That one's stuck. That one's stuck.
Alright. We have to do the beginning of the door. Hold on. Alright, so that was what, 10 inches?
That was pretty close.
I can feel them. Now we gotta do from the beginning of the door.
6 inches?
Yeah. I don't know what inches this is anymore.
Yeah, that's probably the distance from the gun to your back.
This is where you're gonna fucking puncture my lung.
This is like really close.
Do it!
Let me get a side perspective. That's like right on top of it.
Let's do it! Let's do it! Ow! Ow! Okay. Are they in my back?
No.
Oh, shit! I feel that one. Okay, man, you're going too far. You're going too far. Hold on. Are they in my back?
Yes.
I really...
Can I get a close up of that?
Yeah, get a close up.
Staples in his bag. It's probably going to be leaking. I haven't seen no blood leaking through yet.
No, the blood's going to come out when you pull them out.
Well, yeah.
So they're all in there?
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 of them in there.
Make this stick, Mo.
Hmm?
I need one right here on the
You're
front.
fucking goofy, dude.
You gotta do it. Here you are.
Well,
make sure I'm covered front to back, man. You can't just cover the back. So hold on. Don't shoot me in the eye, man.
Yeah, it's gotta be closer. That's like really close.
Yeah.
No, it's stuck. Yeah,
Don't do too many. It's there. No, it didn't work.
Too heavy.
You know what? That right there?
I like the target thing better.
That shit's fucking... That shit's on there.
You're good.
Here, let me see. I'm pretty sure that this is...
Alright, I'm up there.
You think it's there? We have to pull it off, too. We gotta pull it off. So, here. Do this. I'll pull it off.
No, something happened.
It's not only sticky, but it's in my back also.
Well, you got glue on you, dumbass.
Oh, I know.
You want me to peel it off for you?
Yeah, man, do it.
You got glue on you.
Do it.
Use the industrial strength glue.
Rip it.
Yeah, a few marks. There's a staple sticking out, a little bit of meat on there.
Oh, yeah, that's my blood.
Looks like a piece of meat.
Shout out to Steve-O because he was actually the king of this type of shit.
Oh, yeah, that's a souvenir. How many points did I get?
You fucking got 20, dude.
I got 20.
10.
I got a bunch of 20s.
You
and
actually
10.
got like a really nice high score.
A little bit of leakage.
Oh yeah, that's from the front.
There's leakage. There's leakage. What you got going on back here?
Yeah,
That's the back don't leak as much. Your back's all fucking red as fuck, dude.
It's red? It's probably
Yeah.
because of this glue, bro.
Nah, there's marks.
Oh shit.
Let me get close up of the staple marks. Oh yeah, it's starting to leak now.
Down there.
Got a nice leakage there. There's some nice leakage. Not draining yet, but it will.
Eventually.
The glue's probably keeping it from coming out.
Yeah, honestly, it probably is.
At least you sealed yourself up.
Yeah, look, this one's going all the way down. This one's just getting a little. Nah.
Well, somebody view and share.
Don't ever play with staple guns.
If you view and share, we'll do more dumbass shit.
If you play with a staple gun, I'll play with one again.
But the thing about this video is if you view and share and we get lots of views, we'll do more dumb shit.
You have no idea what we'll do.
More dumb shit.
We'll do so much dumb shit.
We just want views.
Please subscribe, hit that dung bell, hit the bell, and share. Share the video. Comment below. Please make sure. You'll get way more content. I promise.
Absolutely. We'll be way dumber than this.